Hi, Happy Hoarder here, and I am part of the Mastermind Influencers team. And I want to thank our founder, Allie from Decor, Home and Lifestyle, for putting this together. Recently, I did a video for the Happy Craft-A-Ween Challenge, and it was so much fun. I used my one-of-a-kind dolls that I have made to make this kind of fun tea party video, and I had some special effects in mind. And this video is about how you should experiment with your editing software to see what you can do with it. So this is just me experimenting with mine. One of the things I've never used on my choices were green screen, because I don't film in front of a green screen. So I just clicked on it to see what it was really about. And I found some really neat stuff. Now this is not going to work for everybody. It worked for this video because I want to keep this video looking very spooky and, you know, Halloween-y. And one of the things that I did was a combination of making a video on my actual video and going to another file and creating another project where I could overlap my videos. And that way I can kind of stack my images and come up with some really fun stuff. Now when I was doing this video, some other special effects I added was to film with the camera on live, and then I took that live picture and I slowed it way down when I put it into my iMovie, and I made this kind of a glitchy photo, kind of choppy video, and it looked like an old-timey black and white movie. And then I used the filter for, it's like an old-timey movie filter. I don't know the name of it now. Great, brilliant. All right, check out what that's about. I need to apologize right now because it's fixing to get very, very, very bad. My audio is horrible. Bless his heart, my husband tried to help me by buying me a new laptop, but it's not a good laptop. It's terrible, and we're having a lot of problems with it. And I have done everything I can imagine. I have deleted so many files, and that's all part of making all these videos. Is it does take up a lot of your storage, but I have cleaned off my computer, and I am still getting this horrible hiss, and I have tried using a mic. It even picks up in the mic. I am just running out of ideas, but that's what's so great about these videos, that everyone's giving really good advice. Once I find the solution to this, hopefully I'll be able to give you some advice as well on how I rectified the situation. Right now, I'm not having any luck. So getting back to what I'm working on, yes, I just managed to click and click and click on different areas of the picture, and by doing that you can get rid of colors. Now sometimes I got rid of colors I didn't want to get rid of, so you'll see a lot of changes and things like that. So that's what all this bouncing around, it's all an experiment. Now honestly, I could probably have done a much faster job had I just gone into Photoshop and done it all in Photoshop and kind of created these images the way I wanted them to be, which I'm pretty good at as well. So I get a lot more experience with Photoshop than I do with my movie, obviously. But this was just a fun project to kind of work on, using something I've never used and probably using it in a way that most people don't use it. So just wanted to share this with you. Another thing that I was doing was changing up my filters. When I had a new image, I would also adjust some filters. You can kind of see me every now and then popping up with that. And like I said, I went back and forth from one file to another so I could get the stack of images. It's time consuming, but like I said, it's just a short video, so I think it would be worth it just for fun. And I wanted to do something that's just completely different than anyone else has done. So I encourage you to, I just can't decide on where I'm going to put any of my stuff. Another thing, you know, you can go in and crop your images while they're still not incorporated into the video, and that really helps. And so some of the video pictures I'm looking at now, like, did I want to crop that part out? So it was a lot of manipulation that was going on. See more of these interesting techniques that I have played with on my videos, for example, dolls, gun goth pirates, and my DIY LED light that I made for my fairy lantern. So check out things like that just to see. I've included the links in the description so that you can kind of check it out to just see these weird techniques that I've been putting in. A lot of times it is great to go ahead and have that third image, and in order to incorporate that, you do need to make a separate file. of the 2 images and then come back. If you know of a better way, please send me some links in the description below, because I would like to know more about how to play with my editing. Now, if I could just figure out what to do with my audio. This should not be putting this much stress on my computer. This is a reconditioned laptop, I should mention, and I really truly believe there's something wrong with this laptop, and that's why I'm having so many problems. I should say I have tried using a mic and I have tried using my phone, but the entire time I'm having trouble with that hissing still going on so loud in the background while I'm trying to watch the movie. I'm hearing the hissing coming through my phone and my mic. Please, if you have any suggestions and know what this problem's about and know how to solve it, please leave me some comments below, and any links to any videos that you may have seen or names of videos that you've seen to help me out, because you know I do spend a lot of time making my videos and I do want them to be really nice. I am actually doing this in fast forward. This is about 30 minutes of video that I'm working on here. About 37 minutes I think is the length of just this video that I shrunk down obviously to fast forward it so y'all could actually get through it. But I just love the effects. I thought they were so much fun, and it would be something definitely worth sharing with y'all. As you see, I'm creating a new movie where I just brought all that over so that I could edit it, and now I'm coming back and adding more photos. So you just work in layers, and I know it's kind of mind-boggling sometimes, but I guarantee you it's a lot of fun, and I encourage you to have some fun with your editing software and see what you can come up with, just to add, even if it's just a few minutes of video at the end. It's always kind of fun to do, and I think this ended up just being, oh wow, like a 20-second or so video once it was all done. So when you think about the hour I probably spent making that, that's pretty funny. But I think it was worth it, because sometimes I just like to, you know, be an artist. So I encourage you to kind of come up with your own thing and make it unique. Like I said, the whole video, I have included a link below in the description so that you can check it out to see all the different effects that I put into it in order to make it a just very special video. Anyway, I hope y'all all had a great Halloween and are moving on into the fall season, into Christmas, and think of some really cool effects that you can do for your Christmas videos and holiday videos. Your holiday videos and Christmas videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch. So don't forget to check that playlist below. Don't forget to check that playlist below and all of the entries. And don't forget to check the playlist in the description below of the other ladies' works. And I know they always have the best advice, because I try to take it every chance I get. And by the way, I finally got around to adding chapters to one of my videos. So yay! Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if you haven't. And hey, hit that notification button, because sometimes I make pretty creative videos. Bye!